Choose the most updated H13-527_V5.0- ENU exam dumps to prepare for your Huawei HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 certification exam. No Huawei HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 H13-527_V5.0- ENU exam. Huawei HCIP Cloud Computing, also known as Huawei Certified ICT Professional Cloud Computing, is a professional-level certification. It aims to cultivate senior cloud computing operations engineers capable of using clouds and senior cloud computing O&M engineers skilled in managing clouds. The current version is V5.0. You must register for the H13-527_V5.0 Chinese version, or H13-527_V5.0- English version, to be a certified. Why choose to earn the HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 certification? By earning the Huawei HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 certification, you'll gain knowledge of open-source OpenStack and basic IaaS services of Huawei Cloud Stack. You'll also develop the ability to perform operations and maintenance on both open-source OpenStack and Huawei Cloud Stack. HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 exam details. Prerequisite: earn the HCIP Cloud Computing certification. Exam: H13-527_V5.0, H13-527_V5.0- ENU. Exam duration: 90 minutes. Types of questions: true or false, single answer questions, multiple answer questions, drag and drop, and fill in the blank questions. Passing score: 601,000. HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 H13-527_V5.0- ENU exam outlines: open source OpenStack architecture, working principles and invoking relationships of key components, 30% introduction to the Huawei Cloud Stack architecture, product components, and common components, 20% working principles and usage of basic IaaS services, such as Huawei Cloud Stack compute, storage, and network services, 20% Huawei Cloud Stack operations, 10% Huawei Cloud Stack O&M, 20%. Choose H13-527_V5.0- ENU real exam dumps to make preparations. Huawei H13-527_V5.0- ENU real exam dumps are available to help you pass the HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 exam. Why choose H13-527_V5.0- ENU exam dumps? Accurate and current content. Our H13-527_V5.0- ENU dumps are regularly updated to reflect the latest exam patterns and topics. Comprehensive coverage. Get in-depth knowledge of all HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 exam objectives. Expert verified questions. All exam questions are verified by industry professionals to ensure accuracy and relevance. PDF format. Get immediate access to your study materials after purchase. The PDF format is easy to learn. Software version. Simulate the real exam environment with our software to boost your confidence. Don't leave your Huawei HCIP-Cloud Computing V5.0 certification to chance. Prepare with H13-527_V5.0 real exam dumps and increase your chances of passing the HCIP Cloud Computing V5.0 exam on your first attempt. Before downloading the H13-527_V5.0 ENU exam dumps, you can check the free dumps first. 1. As the most popular open-source cloud operating system platform, OpenStack mainly provides which of the following cloud computing service models? A. SaaS. B. IaaS, CPaaS, DDaaS. Answer: B. 2. Which of the following allows users to access OpenStack virtual machine instances from an external network? A. Floating IP. B. Local IP. CLB. D. Security group rules. Answer: A. 3. During the OpenStack virtual machine instance provisioning process, which of the following descriptions of the status change process of the provisioning task is correct? A. Scheduling, block device mapping, spawning, networking. None. B. Scheduling, block device mapping, networking, spawning. None. C. Scheduling, networking, spawning, block device mapping. None. D. Scheduling, networking, block device mapping, spawning. None. Answer: D. 4. In OpenStack, which of the following components does Nova not include? A. Nova API. B. Nova Conductor. C. Nova Scheduler. D. Nova Proxy. Answer: D. 5. To which of the following neutron objects is the virtual network card of an OpenStack virtual machine instance directly bound? A. Network. B. Subnet. C. Router. D. Port. Answer: D. 6. Which of the following statements about Swift data reliability is wrong? A. Swift creates a certain number of copies of each object. B. The granularity at which Swift manages copies is the object. C. Object copies are implemented through partition copies. D. Each copy is stored in a different zone. Answer: D. 7. In OpenStack, which of the following is not a persistent storage? A. Cinder. B. Swift. C. NFS. D. Memory. Answer: D. 8. In what form is the object ultimately stored on the physical node in Swift? A. Stream file. B. Raw files. C. Text files. D. Binary files. Answer: D. 9. In Neutron, which of the following components is responsible for receiving and routing API requests to the plugin? A. Messaging queue. B. Neutron server. C. Agent. D. Plugins. Answer: B. 10. In HUAWEI Cloud Stack, which of the following descriptions about Cloud DNS is wrong? A. When the cloud server accesses internal cloud services such as OBS and performs resolution through public DNS, the access latency is small and the performance is high. B. One domain name can be associated with multiple VPCs. C. When the cloud server accesses internal cloud services such as OBS and performs resolution through the intranet DNS, the access latency is small and the performance is high. D. Support any customized intranet domain name based on VPC. Answer: A.